This is just showing you the swing trading. Some balance. It's a practice account here, so it's not real money, but it's if you was playing for real money, this is what would happen here. I'm in a trade now. I was in a trade, yes, was it Wednesday? It's Tuesday now. I was in it Monday. And so I was swing trading the trade overnight, last from Monday to Tuesday. It's now Tuesday. The stock market's open for another hour, so I can just close that £5,000 down if I want to, but I'm going to leave it open with no stop loss overnight, because the price is about 0.025 to 30, something like that. Yeah. It was 0.40-ish when I bought the trade, and I've gone long, but the market opened, gapped up. It gapped down, sorry. So it went the wrong way that I wanted to go. So I wanted to go gap up. It went down. It gapped down. So I'm going to stay in it again today. It's Tuesday, so it's Tuesday. So another hour. I'm going to close the account in a minute. Log out. With the trade still open with no stop loss, because I think that the stock is going to go up either Wednesday or Thursday, Tuesday, tomorrow, or the day after, because the price is too cheap for the option. I've got 39,000 options in this stock, around about 0.30 per option. Right? It's leveraged in margin. Got margin on the screen there, 1,500 margin. There's only 3,000 difference between the available and there's only 3,000 difference between the available and the balance, the equity. So even if it went down, the profit loss is minus £5,500, minus 4, whatever it is. So even if that went down 3 times that, there's still enough balance in the equity for swing trading. The option expires within, still got another 20 odd days for the option. So it's about 19th of April. It's 28th of March. So still got enough time for it to gap up. So it just needs patience to stay in the trade and just let the trade do what the trade wants to do. But that should actually, the 5.4 grand down, I'm not too much worried about that. It's only a practice account, but I'd still trade the same way, real money. Because there's too many days over the next 20 days. Let's just say it's about next 14 working days probably. There's going to be, because you've got a couple of weekends when the stock market is closed, there's going to be, it won't gap down 20 days. You won't be able to buy this stock, option stock it is. It's an options call stock, going long, e.g. making money on the green, buy trade. 39,000 options. You won't be able to buy this trade in 20 days time for 0.30 of an option, right? The price at 0.30. You won't be able to buy it at that price. So basically, I reckon it will actually increase. And at 0.30, it hasn't got much to go down, but it's got potential to increase quite considerably. And it's in the stock where I've seen it go up 1,500% in a day. So it's got potential to do that, if it's going to do that. I keep going back onto this, but it's soon the screen goes off, so I press a button and it goes onto that screen. Yes, I'm staying in the trade. This is my trade overnight. I started with 40 grand, and I started this trade when I bought this trade. I was on 30 grand, so I've lost 25%, and I've lost nearly 50% now. But I've not lost anything until I sell the trade. So if I stay in the trade for 2 or 3 days, a week, a couple of weeks, there's opportunity for that to actually make a profit, even though it's 5,400 minus at the moment. Hope this makes some sense to you. So when I gap up, so now I've effectively bought. I'm buying the gap. I'm buying the gap up if it gaps up, but I don't mind accepting the gap down if it gaps down. But I don't care which way it goes. Which gives you confidence. You've got to be confident in the trades that you make and be prepared to factor in the risk before you allow the trade to go pear-shaped, because it could go pear-shaped tomorrow. But I don't mind which way it goes. If it goes down minus 5 grand to minus 10 grand, I'm not really fussed, because at some point it will go up, it will gap up, and the gap up will reduce the deficit. Yeah. just the way I trade. Yeah, not everyone trades this way, but this is just me. Hope this helps you in some way.